Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to migrate Citibank to Access Bank. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply, this is done automatically. You don't have to worry about anything and this is already done and probably you didn't just notice. As you can see, a heartfelt thank you for the unwavering support during the transition of Citi Consumers business in India's example to Access Bank, which now is complete. You have securely integrated your data to Access Bank systems for seamless migration design products that brings you the best, of course, of both worlds while minimizing changes of your bank experience. With completion to the migration, among other things, we will now have access to, or you will have access to 5,300 plus Access Bank branches and a lot of ATMs, as an example. Award-winning digital capabilities of our internet backend and mobile app, as an example. Of course, like I guess you can still use your Citibank app, but now you're dealing with Access Bank, but you still can use the same app. As you can see, best in class Access Bank products across banking cards. So I hope the last few months in Access they're just thinking of the change as an example. So as you can see during the change before, like here's this is the link for it. So as you can see, they tell you that your bank account, like of Citibank, debit card, credit card, or checkbooks or other informations will remain the same. So you will not have to change anything and you'll be able to keep using the Citi mobile app, Citibank online, or reach out to Citi phone. The only change that you'll notice is simply the Citibank branches will now be branded as Access Bank instead. That's the only difference. Other stuff will remain the same. If you have any of these questions, example, you can simply just pause the video, read the answer out. This is like some fact, frequently asked questions. Of course, you can see about anything. You can even access this, as example, this page if you want to read it out by your own. So accessbank.com/DILS open welcome, and you should be taken here. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.